This is a tattoo tutorial that helps you master skills of tattooing. First of all, create the tattoo design in a drawing software. The drawing tutorial is explained in detail in the video of my homepage. Once the design is completed, transfer it with a stencil printer. The detailed tutorial for transferring is also available in my homepage video. In this episode, we will focus on shading. So let's get straight to it. The lining tutorial can also be found in the homepage, so please take a look there. Start by aligning the edges of the lines, which is where the gradient begins. The technique is to apply more pressure at the start and gradually release it, using a light touch. The same method can be applied to every area that requires a gradient. Now, let's move on to coloring. Replace the tattoo needle used for shading. To avoid color blending, if you don't know how to put on the needle, just follow the detailed tutorial in my homepage. Here, we use the red ink and apply it using the same technique as shading. Fill the remaining blank areas with brown color. Till now, we complete a vintage pistol on practice skin. Beginners should practice daily on practice skin. Wishing you to become an excellent tattoo artist soon. Learn step by step. Specialize in a field. I'm Zero. See you in the next episode. Farewell.